Hello everyone, welcome to Math Tracker YouTube channel. Good morning children. Today we are going to learn about standard and expanded forms, that is S2 from standard form. Standard form of a number is when it is written as numbers separated with commas. So in a number which is separated with commas is called as standard form of a number. The standard form makes it easier because it groups some of the digits that are set together, like lakhs group, thousands group and hundreds, tens, ones group. We'll see this is hundreds, tens, one group, then thousands group, then lakhs group. So 10 lakhs and lakhs comes under lakhs group, 10,000 and 1000 comes under thousands group. Then hundreds, tens, ones comes under hundreds, tens, ones group. We'll see. Then we have to put commas in between these groups. So we have to put commas in between lakhs and thousands group. Then in between thousand group and hundreds, tens, ones group. We'll see one example. Now we have to change the given number into standard form. So the first step is we have to write the place value. So ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, then lakhs, 10 lakhs. Now we have to divide this number into three groups. So lakhs group, thousand group and hundred, tens, ones group. After that we have to put comma in between thousand group and hundred, tens, ones group. Then next we have to put comma in between lakhs group and thousand group. So that now we got the answer. So standard form is equal to 67 lakhs 18,920. Now example 1. Write the standard form of 42 lakhs 8,064. So for in this sum they have given that numbers into words. Now we have to change it into numbers. So 42 lakhs plus 80,000 plus 60 plus 4. The next step, we are going to add everything. 42 lakhs, 8,000, 60, 4. Now we have to add everything. So we got 42 lakhs, 8,064. Now we have to write place value, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So here we have to divide into three groups, lakhs group, thousand group and hundred, tens, ones group. So now we have to put comma in between thousand group and hundred, tens, ones group. Then again we have to put comma in between lakhs group and thousand group. Now we got the answer. So standard form is equal to 42 lakhs 8,064. Now expanded form. Expanded form of a number is when we write all the digits with their respective place value. So the number with their respective place value, okay, is called as expanded form. So for example 73 lakhs 54,345. This is in standard form. Now we are going to convert this standard form into expanded form. So the first step is we have to write the place value, ones, tens, hundreds, then thousand, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Then the next step is 7 into 10 lakhs, then plus 3 into lakhs. So you have to write the number along with their place value. So 5 into 10,000 plus 4 into 1000, then 3 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 5 into 1. Okay, you have to write the number along with their place value. Now 7 into 10 lakhs 70 lakhs plus 3 into 1 lakhs 3 lakhs, 5 into 10,000 50,000, 4 into 1000 4,000, 3 into 100 300, then 4 into 10 40 plus 5 into 1 5. So this is the expanded form. Okay. So now we are going to write the expanded form of the given number in another way. So first we have to write the place value, direct place value. So what is the place value of 8 here? Ones. So 8. What is the place value of 2 here? Tens. So 20. What is the place value of 1? 100. So 100. Then place value of 8 is 1000. So 8000. Place value of 7 is 10,000. So 70,000. Place value of 4 is lakhs. So 4 lakhs. Then place value of 6 is 10 lakhs. So 60 lakhs. Okay. Now the expanded form is 60 lakhs plus 4 lakhs plus 70,000 plus 8,000, then plus 100 plus 20 and plus 8. So this is the expanded form. We can write in this way also. Now example 2. Write expanded form, standard form and number name of the number. Okay, they have given a number. We have to write the expanded form, standard form and number name. The first step is we have to write the place value. Ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakhs and 10 lakhs. So the next step we are going to write the expanded form. So 1 into 10 lakhs is equal to 10 lakhs plus 2 into lakhs, 2 lakhs. Then 5 into 10,000, 50,000. Then 2 into 1000, 2000. Then plus 8 into 100, 800. 9 into 10, 90. Plus 3 into 1, 3. Okay. Then standard form. In standard form, we have to divide into 3 groups. Lakhs group, 1000 group and 100 tens ones group. We have to put comma in between lakhs group and 1000 group and 1000 group and 100 tens ones group. Then the number name. We have to write in the wordings. Okay. 12 lakhs, 52,893. Now, in 3rd standard itself, you have learnt about abacus, isn't it? So, now we are going to just recall. Show the numbers on abacus. 23 lakhs, 54,132. So, the first step is we have to write the place value. Then, the next step, we are going to draw an abacus. Okay. First, draw one rectangle. Then draw like this. So this is called as abacus. Then write the place value also in the abacus. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. Now, so we have the place value of 2 is ones. So 2. So we have to draw 2 beats. Then in tens, 3 beats. Then what is the 100 value? 1. So 1 beat. Then what is the 1000 value? 4. So 4 beat. In 10,000, 5. Then lakhs, 3. Then the 2 lakhs. So 2. Okay. So we have to draw abacus like this. Then the next is how many thousands make 2 lakhs? Okay. How many thousands make 2 lakhs? That means how many thousands are in 2 lakhs? Okay. So the first step, you have to write the place value, but till 1000 you have to write. So ones, tens, hundreds, 1000. Okay. Now we are going to separate. Okay. So from 1000 you have to draw a line. Okay. In thousands place, what is the number here? 200. So 200 into 1000 we get 2 lakhs. So the answer is 200. So 200 thousands make 2 lakhs. So I gave these 4 sums as homework. Do the sums and send it to me. Thank you, children.